everybody! Welcome to Spiritual Findings with the Gypsy Soul. My name is Vera Lynn, and today I'm going to be doing a general reading for my Scorpios for December 2018. Now, if you guys would like to subscribe, I will be doing a 2019 yearly video, and I will be posting it soon. Alright guys, now some of you guys who have been watching me for a while, you know that I am doing something different. I never show my face on this channel, but I decided to put a face to the channel. I usually just have a camera directed right on the card so you guys can see it. So yeah, please be kind. Alright guys, so you guys know that I go over the planets, the new moons, full moons, what's going on for December. And we have a lot that's going on in your sign, okay? Just to read off the list here. On the 2nd, we have Venus is entering your sign, okay? So that's definitely going to have embrace your romantic side, the beauty, the arts, okay? You might see yourself more drawn to that area, okay? On the 6th, we have Mercury is turning direct in your sign. Yes, Mercury, the sign of communication in your sign. So you might find yourself being able to communicate your feelings a little bit more during this time. Won't be there for long though. On the 7th, we have a new moon in Sagittarius, okay? And on the 12th, we have Mercury is leaving your sign and entering Sagittarius, okay? On the 22nd, we have a full moon in Cancer, okay? And Cancer's ruler is the moon, so this might be a very emotional time for you guys, but embrace it, okay? Don't fear it, embrace it. Alright guys, let's get into it. If you would like to book a private reading with me, go ahead and email me. I do FaceTime, over the phone, email. I do pre-recorded sessions. That's always very popular for people to get a personalized reading for their yearly readings that we can go back throughout the year, watch it again, see if things are lining up, or just to go back for more inspiration. But let's focus on December 2018 for my Scorpios. Alright guys, let's see what the cards have to say. Now when I say general reading, this is going to be your love, your career, soul story, what's going on for December. Alright. We have 2 cards that already just fell out. I'll get to them in a second. I would like to pull one more card for you guys. Wow. All right. Whoa. Okay. So we are starting off with the Lover's card. Okay. This could be some of you single guys finding somebody. For some of you who might be already in a successful relationship, the sex might be great. No, I know my Scorpios, you guys are very passionate. But if you are already in a successful relationship, the Lover's card could also mean a like-minded friend coming into your life. Perhaps it could be a local community, somebody with similar tastes, okay, will be coming into your life, or the passions might flare up again. There is some work that needs to be done, Scorpio. I feel like this is mostly financial because you have the 7 of Pentacles. Pentacles represent financial matters, okay? With the 7 of Pentacles, you could see that he is planting seeds and waiting for them to grow. With this being said, be patient. I feel like a lot of my Scorpios might lack a little bit of patience, so this would be the time to practice. This could be enrolling yourself in some courses, getting some training, going back to school. It's going to take some time. So please be patient. Just have faith, okay? And the card that you are ending with the Rider-Waite deck is you have the 3 of Cups. So there definitely is a community, perhaps I mean, 'tis the season. This could be around the time where you and your family might reconnect, have a stronger bond. This could be your immediate family, or this could be old friends as well. With the Three of Cups, I feel like it is very important to keep in mind your calling, your inspiration, and what drives you in life. Do not surround yourself with toxic people, Scorpio, because that would be a very big mistake at this point. Because what you're harvesting right now, you want to be able to share that with people that you love and that are not leeches in your life. Okay, it's very important to remember that. All right. There also could be a Gemini in your life with the Lover's card popping up. This could be a friend, this could be a love interest, but there could be a Gemini popping up in your life. Or maybe you need to bounce off your ideas off of your Gemini friend or family, okay? Tell them your desires. I want to go back to school, or I'm thinking about leaving my job, you know, or I want to pursue this person in life. It's always good to talk to somebody. All right, so we are pulling one message from the angels for my Scorpios for December 2018. What is the message? Any inspiration, a direction that they need to be pointed into, my Scorpios, for December 2018? Your element is water. Now, there is a lot going on within your sign, with Mercury turning direct, and you also have Venus. Okay, with the Lover's card showing up, that could just represent Venus being in your sign. You might find yourself a little bit more emotionally attached, less lustful, and more loving. All right, this card's jumping out to me here. We have the Four of Earth. Okay, you are being too cautious with money. Good business decisions, giving to those less fortunate. Now, with this, you could be investing, or you might be reluctant into investing in something. Maybe some of you guys are starting your own business. It could be something simple or more complex, like just starting your own company. It takes money to make money, okay? And we all know that. So it could be simply you just buying a new outfit for your interviews. It could be doing some training, getting some classes under your belt so you can apply to the jobs that you would like. It also could be just helping somebody else in your family out. I know for some of you guys, you might have a spouse that is at that point where they need to change themselves and they need to find a new line of work, or perhaps enroll in school again. And it could be very hard to support somebody during that time. But if it's for the better, and you know they're not a leech in your life, and they really do care about you, and the support system will be there, use it, okay? Don't be afraid. All right, my Scorpios? Well, that pretty much concludes your reading for December 2018. You guys, like I said, if you would like a private reading, go ahead and email me. If not, just comment below. There's a strong family here on Spiritual Findings. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful December.